Some racing news now. Despite giving weight all around and the jockey not riding to instructions, trainer Jason Da Costa is impressed with the gate-to-wire performance of Interesting Times Ahead in landing the Kingston for a purse of $3 million on Sunday at Caymanas Park. It's a final prep race before the 2,000 Guineas. Denise Walters has our racing review.
Unbeaten in his last 4 starts, 1-5 favorite Interesting Times Ahead made every poster, winning one, going 7.5 furlongs in the Grade 2 contest for native-bred 3-year-old colts and geldings. One of 2 winners for leading jockey Tevin Foster. Last year's champion 2-year-old who shouldered a top weight of 126 pounds broke sharply and opened up on the rest of the field, and despite a late challenge by Captain Sparrow, could not be caught.
And they leave the quarter pole behind, and it's Interesting Times Ahead beginning to open up the gap. Captain Sparrow is showing stamina and running on down against the rail. Toward the outside, that's Crown Chaser, Provident in between horses, but it's Interesting Times Ahead, leaving the furlong pole with a clear lead. Captain Sparrow is asked to fly, but here is Interesting Times Ahead coming away. Captain Sparrow making late progress, but guess what? It's too late. Interesting Times Ahead wins by maybe 5 over Captain Sparrow.
One of 3 winners for 2-time champion trainer Jason Da Costa. The 2,000 Guineas winter book favorite Interesting Times Ahead, where the splits of 23-4, 46-3, 1 minute 11-4, 1 in 1 minute 33-1 by 4.5 lengths.
Yes, it was very impressive. I'm happy with how he ran. He was asked to allow everybody a lot of weight, and he got hooked in a speed duel and opened up and overcame it and held on nicely. So I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the performance today.
Da Costa's other winners were Life is Life and the imported Chocomo, the mounts of Robert Hardball Hallideen in the 4th and 7th events respectively. Meanwhile, Hallideen dominated the 9-race card with a 4-timer. His other winners were Wall Street Trader in the 2nd event, and he closed the program aboard debutant She's That Girl, who won in a photo finish, just getting there by a nose. Racing continues on Saturday. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.
Now, a discussion will be had as to the way forward after Jamaica secured qualification for 4 of a possible 5 relay teams for this summer's Paris Olympic Games in France at the World Relays in the Bahamas. Jamaica's men's 4x4 team is the only national team not to secure qualification for Paris from the 2-day meet.